Small businesses in the architecture, building and construction game can get a massive lift from the research and development tax credit by claiming for things like coming up with new building techniques, making construction processes better, or creating custom tools. A lot of the time, this hard work actually counts as research and development, even if you're out doing it on site. If you're a startup, the refundable tax credit is incredibly handy. It means if you don't have a corporation tax bill to pay, you can get a cash refund instead, taking the pressure off your labour costs and freeing up cash flow. It can be a real lifeline for funding your growth and keeping the innovation going in a tough market. Give your local Swanson Reed representative a shout for more information.